Here, serenity unfolds in every corner. Sunlight filters through sheer linen, bathing the space in a soft, golden glow. It is a study in quiet warmth, where natural wood meets raw stone. Every texture invites deep breaths, creating an elegant sanctuary designed for peaceful repose.
Architecture embraces perfect balance, a quiet rhythm built upon warm wood and soft light. Here, tranquility meets expanse. Let diffused daylight draw your gaze outward, connecting restful symmetry to the open world beyond. A sanctuary defined by soft light and natural wood. Here, every corner whispers tranquility. From the restful expanse of the low platform bed to the quiet intimacy of the window nook, life unfolds in serene layers. It is a space designed for deep breaths where true elegance resides. Here, vertical lines meet quiet repose. As daylight softens across the light oak and cream tones, a sense of structured calm emerges. With twilight's arrival, the space deepens into enveloping warmth, a refuge defined only by soft linen and ambient glow. Here, quiet moments unfold between smooth white surfaces and warm oak grain. Light filters softly through sheer linen, defining a timeless space. It is a profound balance, a serene sanctuary where every material whispers tranquility.